Hey everyone, happy September. In today's video, we are decorating for fall and bringing in all of those cozy elements. I will show you how all of the DIY projects and ideas I've been sharing come together in my living room. Let's go ahead and get started. I am starting with this thrifted side table in my living room. One of the things I wanted to focus on with my decorating for fall was incorporating natural elements, items that I can collect right from my own yard or garden. I want my space to have a very organic and gathered look and truly reflect some of the changes I could see right outside my window. So you will see some fall colors here and there, but there is also still quite a bit of green, which is why I still have green here in my living room space. Keeping some green in your home year-round is actually really important, especially as the weather starts to turn really cold. It helps to have some of those green plants to breathe life into your space. I build in my seasonal decor around my houseplants. I especially enjoy having plants in my home all year round because I do really miss my garden, especially in the winter months, so having those plants is really fulfilling for me. Most of the pillow covers you see here are ones that I have collected over several years. The striped one with the floral is a new cover for this year, but all of the other ones are others that I just already had. Layers are so important to creating a cozy space for fall. Right now, I still have my lightweight throw blankets, but as the weather starts to change, I will bring out my knit throws. I keep the decor on my side tables minimal because I want there to still be usable space. This set of antique books was given to me and I use them all of the time. Christmas, 4th of July, and now again for fall. I DIY'd these leaves in a previous video that I will link here for you if you're interested in seeing how I created them. For my mantle this year, I used a bunch of fall stems that I already had and layered them together. Now, I placed my pieces on the mantle first, like my candles and my vases, because I use them to help secure the stems. I layered in some berry stems with some leaves. The leaves are picks, which is a great way to save some money on stems because the picks are much more affordable and are great to fill in with. Last year, I organized a bunch of my seasonal decor and parted with items that I really didn't use. Honestly, the main seasonal decor pieces I use are stems and textiles. I break out some pumpkins in October, but other than that, those are the two things that I really stick to. I have found over the years that I prefer decor pieces that can be used across many seasons. I have also really enjoyed using my creativity in making more of my decor and spending less. To help the faux stems that I had on my mantle look more natural, I clipped a few of these beautiful branches from my yard that had just a bit of this deep purple. I spray my clippings with some Dawn dish soap and water and let them dry in the sun for just a bit before bringing them in. This helps to ensure that you don't have any unwanted guests in your home. I created this cozy banner in my video last week, and I shared a link where you can download the cards to make your own. Baskets are a perfect way to add coziness and texture to your spaces. I went to a new Goodwill about 30 minutes from my home and found these amazing baskets for just a couple dollars. You can also move baskets around that you may already have in your home and create a cozy corner for fall. We are going to take just a little break for a quick DIY. I actually connected with one of my subscribers who lives locally, and we have been on all kinds of thrifting adventures together. She has a beautiful home and enjoys thrifting as much as I do, and needless to say, we have quickly become friends. She actually picked up this dried gourd for me, and I wanted to give it just a bit of a makeover. I pulled out one that I already had as inspiration for the paint. I started with a warm tan as the base, and then to give it some dimension, I added some watered down dark brown paint that I applied with a damp paper towel. I did seal this with some Mod Podge once the paint was dry. I am styling these in one of the baskets by the fireplace and adding a scarf to finish off this cozy little spot. I think hanging baskets are so charming. I found these at a local market and put one here in my living room and also one up in my bedroom. I am adding just a few cosmos in the color walnut to the florals that I already had in the basket. The rest of the corner has a few dried florals in neutral colors. The color palette I chose for fall was mostly warm creams and brown with a few dark contrasting colors. I don't love a ton of dark colors in my home, so I kept those colors pretty minimal. I talk about this often on my channel, but decorating your home is really about leaning into what you love. It has taken me a long time to figure out my style, how to create that in my home, and truly styling my home in a way that speaks to me and works for my family. So I hope that you find encouragement here to create a home for you, your family, and decorate in a way that brings you joy. These cloches you might remember from a previous video. I styled them with the book page flowers that I made, some dried oak leaves, and books. I love using books that I already have and opening them to a page with a seasonal photo. Simple, easy, and beautiful. I made just a few small changes to my bookcases. I added some books in some brown tones and a few dried florals. Let's take a final look at how everything came together. In this week's Cozy Chats, I wanted to share a bit of real life with all of you. I actually shared this over on my Instagram this week. I think it is so important to remember that a perfect home doesn't exist. I have toys in many corners of my home. The couch pillows are always on the floor, and despite my best efforts, a dog somehow always ends up on the couch. And then I remember time is a thief. One day, my girls will be grown, the marker will fade, and the giggles that now fill the house will be replaced with quiet. Life is messy sometimes, and that's okay. A cozy home is not just about how it looks, but also how it feels. Thank you all for being here, and I will see you next week for part 2 of fall decorating.